Hey everyone, I am so excited to show you the Document December 2019 products from Elle Studio. So let's take a look at the kit only contents first. I just love the way that Elle packs these kits. They're so well laid out, all together in a cute little brown paper package here. So let's open this kit and see what we have. I'm going to go through them with you a piece at a time. So let's check out the paper first and foremost. All of the papers are 6 inches by 8 inches. All of the papers are also single-sided, so you don't have to worry about wasting the back side. There's a fa la la, a nice dark green, a polka dot. The kit colors are fantastic. Gray, pink, red. This really pretty minty green color, which I love. This is separate, so we're going to talk about that in a second. The gray polka dot, the different Christmas icons here, a black and white stripe, and a red pattern. So those are your pattern papers. Again, 6 inches by 8 inches, and you get 8 in a pack. You can also order a separate pack of these papers, but this amazing December calendar only comes in the kit, so it's exclusive to the Document December 2019 kit. So if you want to open up your project with a December calendar to highlight some things through your month, this is a great thing to have. Okay, so those are the papers. Next up, we have the journaling tags. So there are a total of 30 3x4 tags. Just going to start laying them out. Pink and reds, Christmas gathering, holiday playlist, presents, currently Christmas concert. That's so fun. I love this fa la la. There's a tag. Some of these are great filler cards, so if you don't know what to add, you have a big selection here of different types of cards, like this one. This December one is fun. Love this joyful moment. This is perfect for adding a photo to. May your days be merry and bright. I love it. 1, 2, 3, and then there's another numbered one with all of the colors. Merry Christmas magic, a heart, the merry details. There's another one of those December ones. Love this tradition, that really fun pattern. Another fun pattern there, and some sparkles, stars, and hearts. So those are the 3x4s. Let's take a look at the 4x6s. It's a great one for listing there. Wish list, a gray grid, some fun big polka dots, some little ones, a stripe, wonder and joy. I love this one, love this story. This simple December 2019, and this one is really fun. On Christmas Eve and on Christmas Day, you can write out what you did on both of those days. So those are the amazing tags that come in the kit. Next up, we have the Puffy numbers. Look how amazing these are. So you go all the way from 1 to 31. So if you guys decide to finish at 25, you'll still have some numbers left over, but they come in numericals and written out, all different designs with stars and banners. I just love it. I can't wait to use these, and they're in black and white. Next up, we have the Ho 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 Puffy stickers. As you can see there, they have Ho 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 on them. I just love this little cup of for me, that would be coffee. Maybe for you, hot chocolate. The little Santa hat, fa la la, good cheer found here. Just lots of really fun things on this set. Then we have the acetate die cuts. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are packed full. There's 55 pieces in here. In all the colors of the kit. Dark green, light green, black, pink, red. Just so many different things. December, trees, Christmas trees, stars, hearts, little banners, little pinked circles here. There are just so many shapes. I love all of the sparkles. There's even poinsettias. Or is that poinsettia? Sorry, that's a holly. The holly shapes. I'm getting my plants, my Christmas plants mixed up. So many different shapes, 55 in all. And then, these are so fun, 52 die cut cardstock shapes. This one being my favorite, holiday photographs, and I can see myself putting 2 photographs there. There's such pretty designs here, the candy canes. There's lots of labels, there's tags, Christmas trees. Look at all these labels. And you guys won't have to print any labels for your project. Ornaments and stockings and presents and little sayings and hearts and stars. There's just so many things here. So 52 of those. Next up, we have the Document December stickers. These have sayings at the top, some banners, circles, and labels down at the bottom. So lots of fun things here. I love this one, Feeling Festive. Next up, we have the wood veneer shapes. So we have joy, good cheer, happiest season of all, fa la la, the tree. Just fun stuff. You can paint those, you can leave them as is. And then we have a big gold acetate star. So fun, right? So that is the haul that you get from your Document December 2019 kit. Be sure to check it out at the link in my video notes before it is gone. And for a few days only, you can get it at a discount. So be sure to take advantage of that offer. Okay, so let's check out the rest of the add-ons. These are the Good Cheer acetate die cuts. And they may be a little bit hard to see here, but they are clear and white, which is really fun because you can put them on top of photos. This says Good Cheer. You can put them on top of pattern paper or black cardstock, red cardstock, green cardstock, whatever. There's large ones. This could be great to use as, you know, something to delineate between days. Big words like Merry Christmas. And then these are the 3x4 inch cards here that you can actually just put inside a pocket. So I love those. Those are super, super fun. So I'm going to put those to the side. Next we have the Wonder Puffy stickers. These have so many great words that can be used for titles, for headers. There's some of the cute little stockings that you saw in the die cut pack, little sparkles, and some really tiny little dots, which I love. Next up, we have the red dipped Puffy alphabet stickers. Just like they say they are, half pink, half red dipped. Love them. These are the green polka dot Puffy alphabet stickers. So the same stickers that you guys already love in different Christmassy colors to coordinate with the Document December 2019 kit. These are the Christmas Shapes and Dots Puffy stickers. If you guys have these in your stash already from different months, you'll recognize them. I just love them, and this mint color is just so beautiful, and it coordinates perfectly with the kit. For the last Puffy sticker, we have the Christmas multicolor Puffy alphabet stickers. So dark green, light green, pink, and red on these ones. Let's check out the stickers. We have 2 different December date label stickers, which I just love. These are great for getting some continuity throughout your project. Using the same sticker to highlight the day all throughout is a great way to go. I love those. They come in green and red. Next up we have the Oh Holy Night phrase stickers. So these are more religious sayings like Christmas blessings, hallelujah, the wonders of his love. So check those out if that's important for you to document through December. These are the Very Merry phrase stickers. So these are more about everyday things in December like the perfect tree, a beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, which is really fun. Okay, these may be the most exciting thing, the Christmas elf stickers. So if you guys have an elf who visits you in December, then these are the greatest stickers to have on hand to highlight those photos in your December album. So our elf was here, snowball fight, getting into trouble here. Our elf named Jingles needs that. Can't wait to use those. Let's check out the stamps next. We have the Holly Jolly stamp. Really cute phrases like fa la la, love the tradition. There's that December header there, and then you can stamp the date, which I really, really love. I think I'm going to use that throughout the month. I love this Christmas favorite one as well. Next up, we have the Holiday Words stamp. There are so many words in this set. Elf approved, love it. Candy canes, Christmas tree, too tired. I definitely need that one. Morning, afternoon, day, eve, holiday shopping. There's so many different phrases on here. Then you could put them in between these lines. You can stick them on a label. You can add the numbers of days left until Christmas for a countdown. Awesome set. The Christmas phrases stamp. So if you guys love the Everyday Phrases volumes 1 and 2 stamps, you are going to want this one because it comes in solid and clear backgrounds, different fonts, different sayings, happiest season of all, homemade goodies. That would be great for a tag on something that you're taking around to your neighbors. The Large Jane alphabet stamp in candy cane. Oh, we needed this, didn't we? So excited about this one. I'm going to stamp it in red on my album, and to go along with it, you have the Large Jane number stamp also in candy cane. Okay, let's check out the wood veneers and acrylics. We have December 2019 in wood, white acrylic, and gold acrylic. So whatever your design aesthetic, we've got you covered. Remember, you can also color in the white acrylic with an oil-based paint or marker. Next up, we have the 25 wood veneer. Then we have the Ho 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 wood veneer confetti. Check this out. It says Ho Ho Ho, little Ho Ho Ho's in confetti. I just love it. Aren't those so adorable? We all need those. Okay. Next up, we have the Merry Christmas white acrylic in a really pretty script. This one is also white. These are the acrylic Christmas words. Let me get closer on these for you. Okay, these guys say magic, believe, joyful, and twinkle in a serif and a handwritten font. Love those. Next up, we have the hand-drawn acrylic Christmas hearts and stars in the colors from the kit. Then we have the 'Tis the Season wood veneers. This one under here says Santa. I couldn't fit it back in the way that it was supposed to go. I never know how Elle does that. Merry Christmas, holiday favorites on my wish list. Lots of great things in here. And then last but not least, we have the December journaling tags. So if you want to get those extra journaling notes down, then these are a great set to have. Coordinates with the stamp that I showed you earlier. So they come in black, gray, red, and green. So that was the Document December kit and add-ons. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a sneak peek at those. All of these products are live in the Elle Studio shop today, and for a limited time until midnight on September 4th, you can get the kit only for a discounted rate. So be sure to take advantage of that offer at the link in my video notes. Also, subscribers, remember that you can bundle your Document December kit with your monthly kit, and you should have all of that information in the Elle Studio newsletter today. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your Elle Studio Document December 2019 kit and add-ons.